Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. Going to go through here and just take a look at the top 5 groups for all the people on the Mission Winners feed. Let's take it from the top. Group rank number 1 was 1 last week, 1 this week. Telecom Wireless Services, hanging in a crummy market. This is hanging in, relative strength 99. Here's the leading stocks in that group. Just take a look at them, just so you have an idea. Shenandoah is a horse in this group. Let's go to group number 2, Retail Discount Variety. Fell on heavy volume, but only average daily volume, but did fall. Leading stocks in the group. Relative strength is still 99. It's hanging in there in group number 2. Group 3 moved up steadily in rank. Look at this. Retail Wholesale Auto Parts. Kind of defensive, folks. Kind of a defensive group. Isn't that interesting? Up on good volume. Up on really good volume. Down on less volume. Up on a pickup in volume. Leading stocks in the group. Hanging in there. We'll be sure to see some of these probably on the big list we produce. Food, miscellaneous, defensive, hanging in there. Nothing real special in this group. SMPL's the horse. SMPL is the horse. Okay? Here they are, hanging in there. Group rank 5. Commercial services, healthcare. Hanging in there. Leading stocks in the group. Went up on good volume, pulled back on less volume, starting to lift off again. The group is hanging in there. That's nice to see. Leading stocks, I'll give you top number 6. Moved up nicely in ranks. Soap cleaning preparations. What would you say about that? Well, people got to eat. People got to have soap. Defensive. That's where we're at. Leading stocks in the group for you. Those are the top 5 or 6 groups. VIP members get top 25 groups.